see. Cool. Colored pencils. That's awesome.
Why did he bring me a cup full of water?
It's not water, I don't think. Is there a letter on it?
There's lots of letters.
A
And
B.
B.
You have an L.
You have a sailor, you have L.
Cool. Lots of fun stuff.
What's this?
Looks like a guy who parachutes.
Oh, is he up here? Is he? Stickers!
Yay!
Yay, stickers! More stickers! The chocolate.
Bubbles. Yeah. Cool.
I'm still very Oh no.
Okay, why don't you use your bucket to find your eggs? Lorelai, you want to find some eggs?